Prior to waxing, you want to pre-cleanse the skin, mostly because there's makeup and oils and things of that nature that keep the wax from removing the skin, basically. Keep the wax from applying to the hair and removing from the skin. So this is a pre-cleanse. We're just going to lightly go over. It's probably an alcohol base, something in that nature, but you just don't want to any makeup that might be on there. And then we're going to follow that with a numbing cream. Remember the no scream cream. We're going to numb that area. That pretty much is dried right away. Put a little dab of numbing cream on there. Make sure that's absorbed well. That's some pretty tender skin right there, so I think numbing cream is probably a good thing. Can you feel that? Where it's actually, does the skin feel funny? You can feel that it's numbed the area a little bit. So we've pre-cleansed. We've put some no scream cream on there, and we are ready to apply the wax and remove some hair.